Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and complete way to categorize transactions in Zoho Books so your accounts stay organized and accurate. Whether you're managing petty cash or tracking daily expenses, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it right. Accessing the banking module. First, log into your Zoho Books dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on the Banking tab. This is where all your accounts and transactions are managed. Selecting the petty cash account. Next, from your list of linked bank accounts, locate the petty cash account and select it. If Zoho shows any introductory pop-ups, just click Skip to move straight to your transactions. This ensures you're in the right account before adding or editing anything. Adding new transactions. Now, if your petty cash account shows no transactions or you want to add a new one, click Add Transaction. You'll see a confirmation button. Click Add Transaction again to proceed. Here's the key. Fill in every required field carefully. Input the date, amount, and most importantly, the category. Choosing the correct category is essential because it keeps your financial reports accurate and ready for analysis. Editing transactions. Made a mistake or need to update a transaction? No problem. Simply click the Edit option next to any transaction. This allows you to correct details like the amount, date, or category. Accurate records make a huge difference, especially when reconciling your accounts later. Saving transactions. Finally, after reviewing all the information, click Save. This action finalizes your transaction and ensures it's stored properly in Zoho Books. Once saved, your transaction is now categorized and will reflect correctly in your financial reports. And that's it. Categorizing transactions in Zoho Books is quick and straightforward once you know the steps. Keeping your accounts organized has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Zoho Books tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.